हाय शिकायना।
Hi.
आपको पता है चाय कैसे बनाता है माइक्रोवेव में?
Yes.
बताओ।
First,
या
you take half cup of milk,
या
pour it in.
या
Then you put half spoon of sugar.
या
Next, you put 2 tea bags. And now you get the microwave ready. So you press the express buttons 4 times to get you to 2 minutes. Put the cup inside and press the start button. Now wait.
Is done?
No, it's not done. We'll press it one more time
Yeah.
in the microwave. It's done. And we start mixing. Take out the tea bags.
Show me it's done.
Now, that's how you make tea in the microwave.